Welcome to my channel Srini Explores. I'm Srini here, a passionate photographer with a love for exploring the beautiful landscapes, wildlife and documenting incredible journeys. I'm here to inspire all of you with my experiences gathered over 4 decades. You may be a pro or just starting out photography. I'm sure this channel will help you mastering photography techniques. Of course, having the right gear can make a big difference, but it is not everything. I will show you what I use and why. I will also share plenty of tips for those who are just starting out with a very basic camera. From the heart of the jungle to the peak of a mountain, I will share gear essentials, camera settings and editing secrets along with my field trips. Subscribe this channel and join me in this incredible photography journey. Thank you all.